Hi, I'm Miss Rachel with the Spokane County Library District, and I have an early learning tip for you today. When we think of patterns, we usually think about math, but patterns are actually a part of so many other skill sets. Patterns help children make predictions because they start to see what's going to happen next. When children learn about patterns, they are learning how to make logical connections and use their reasoning skills. Even learning language involves patterns, such as adding an S to a word to make it plural. Although, of course, in English, we like to ignore the patterns occasionally. Patterns can be found everywhere in our daily lives, and it can help to point these out to kids. So, for example, the sun went up, and then the sun went down, and then the moon came up, and the moon went down. As a child's understanding of patterns grows, they begin to be able to describe them, and then copy them, and then extend them or repeat them. There are a lot of different steps in learning about patterns. One way to help kids learn about patterns is to take everyday moments and use them as teachable moments. Today I'm going to tell you about using food to learn about patterns. For my kids, sugary cereal was always a special treat, so they would have been very excited about this activity. So to begin with, take your cereal and make a very basic pattern, and then see if your child can describe it. Green, yellow, green. It goes from one color to the other, alternating. Then you can see if your child can reproduce it or make the exact same pattern. If they are able to do that, next you can make a pattern and see if they are able to extend it. So if you started out with the green, yellow pattern, see if they can then continue it. Extend it on. If they're able to do that, then you can see if they're able to fill in missing elements. So take a few pieces out and see if they can figure out which color should be in the missing spots. And then finally, of course, invite them to make and create their own patterns. And of course, when you're done with the patterns, they can eat their pattern, or for some extra fun, you can let your kids make a bracelet out of their patterns. I find that pipe cleaners are much easier for toddlers and preschoolers to thread than actual thread. And it gives them a chance to practice those fine motor skills. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Please check out our website for more information on how to get your child ready for kindergarten.